Привет, друзья! Hello, guys! Today we'll speak about adjectives. It's so important to know how our adjective will be changed because in English we shouldn't change anything. We're just using infinitive. For example, the verb, the noun stole, like table, stole, it's a masculine and it's a singular. But after that, you can see adjective. After noun will be adjective or before, okay? Depends, like in Russian, it doesn't matter the order of the sentence, it doesn't matter how it will be, not like in English, it's so important. So it can be adjective after the noun or before. So, after the noun or before will be adjective. For example, new table, новый стол. Should be «ый» at the end. New table, новый стол. Новый стол. New table. Also can be in masculine singular, can be the end «ий», «ой» or «ний». Let's see. For example, маленький стол. Also we are talking about table, stол, but маленький it's a small or большой, big. Also, you should be careful with the end of the word. So, маленький, it means small table, маленький will be «и» at the end. But большой, «ой» at the end. Большой. Большой стол. It means big table. So, новый, new, маленький, small, большой, big, and последний стол. Okay, последний, it means last one. Последний. Right? Okay, I think you can understand that if you're talking about noun, and noun will be masculine, singular, adjective will be with the end «ый», «ий», «ой», «ний». It depends on the word, but you should remember these words. If you are talking about new, old, старый, for example, it's old, also will be «ый». Старый стол. Новый стол. You see «ый» at the end. But маленький, small, большой стол, big one. Большой, маленький. Последний. Imagine you're at the restaurant and you want to ask your waiter, where is my table? Can you show me? And he can say or she can say, the last one. Последний стол. It's yours. Это ваш. Последний стол. Last one. Последний. But when you are talking about feminine noun and singular also, here you can see just two different ends. So, я, я. So funny, right? But when you are speaking, you never like thinking that it's so funny because for you it's okay if you're talking Russian. For example, we are talking about lamp. In our language, in Russian, lamp, it's a feminine gender. Feminine singular noun. Okay, let's speak about adjective. close to this noun. Lampa новая. It means new. Новая. New lamp. Right? And you can see here ая. But if you want to say about that the lamp, it's a last lamp, maybe you want to buy this lamp and you want to buy 3 or 5 or 2, but you can see information that it's a last lamp, just one you can buy. Последняя. Последняя лампа. Последняя. 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 Last one. О новая. Maybe when you pronounce it, you can't hear like exactly ая or яя. Maybe for you it's ая, but you should know when you spell it that последняя, ня-я, я at the end. Or новая, новая, последняя. Maybe when you try to, how to say, hear that it's a bit different. Я, ая. Maybe for you it's the same, but for us it's different. I think you should improve your listening comprehension, and after some, I don't know, maybe 5 times, 10, it depends how you are, you will see that it's different. Neither singular, okay, has also 2 different ends. For example, about window, let's talk about window. Window for us, it's a 8, right? It's a neither singular. Let's speak about a window. Новое окно. Новое. ОЕ. You see, ОЕ shows you that окно, it means window, new, is new. Новое окно. But if you are talking about window and you want to buy it and just the last one, you should say последнее. And you can see, for example, if you're talking about last table, will be последний стол. About last lamp can be последняя лампа. If you're talking about window, it will be последнее окно. You see? The same adjective, but with a different noun, with a different gender, you can see that end will be different. Okay. And let's see, plural, any gender, here it's not so difficult, any gender can have 2 different ends, ые or ие. For example, новые столы. Finally, you bought 3 tables, I don't know, in your hotel or at home. And you can say, I have 3 new tables, right? In Russian, you should say, у меня новые столы. I have. У меня новые столы. Новые столы. Новые at the end because it's a plural. It doesn't matter what is the gender. For example, here lamp, and you are talking about lamp, but you can say it's a good lamp. You like it, it's nice lamp. We can say хорошие, хорошие лампы. So, хорошие лампы. So, masculine. The end will be ий, ой, ний. Новый, маленький, большой, последний. If we are talking about table, table, it's a masculine, singular. Feminine, also. Я. This is the end of the adjective. Новая лампа, последняя лампа. Let's repeat neither singular. Е. Ое, новое окно, последнее окно. If we are talking about window, окно. And last but not least, plural, any gender can be. Новые, ие at the end, and ие, хорошие лампы. You should remember everything. If you have any questions, you should ask me. I will be happy to answer. Let's see you next time.